Hey Toolerinos, got a tool haul here from George at Uwannawatch. He was generous enough to send me this box. I don't know what's in it really because I just cut it open and this is as far as I've seen. And thank you, George, for your generosity in for whatever it is you have sent me. And so let's see what he sent. It's well packed. Oh yeah. Awesome. Check that out. He sent me the Red Devil staple gun-like tool. I think it's for something a little different. Alright, so after looking at it a little bit, it's Made in USA Red Devil #1. It works like a staple gun. I'm not sure how to load it. This is the part that's sliding. This looks like where you load something, but there are patent numbers here. So I will look up the patent and see what that's really supposed to do. I'm wondering if it's supposed to fire like glazer's points for like putting glass panes in windows, or what? Because it's kind of a weird, unusual tool. I have to look it up, do a cleanup on this, and figure out what it does. Thanks, George. That is super cool. Really. Thanks a lot. Oh, cool. He sent me some Burum wrenches. Ampco. Awesome. That's great. Thanks, George. I am getting a bit of a collection of these beryllium type tools. And I don't have any open-end wrenches, so that's great. Thanks again. Let's see, what else is in here? Packed really well. Feel like a kid on Christmas. Oh, I see a rubber handle. How about that? 2 right ratchets. That's awesome. Thanks, George. I am glad I waited so close to Christmas to open these. It does feel like Christmas. Awesome. A 3/8 drive flex head and a 1/2 inch drive. And there is a patent number, so I'll look up the patent. Some wrenches here. More right wrenches. Awesome. I always liked how they had sort of the 6-point end and the open end. There we go. Huh. Very cool. That's great. That really sets me on my path, really. Provides a good foundation for my collection of right tools. Resto Rob had sent me some stuff too. Thanks again for that, Resto Rob. So this added to it will really start to make my collection look like a collection. Right? So thanks again, George. This was awesome. Alright, it's not as cool as what Ben the Tool Addict does, but it's something. Now there it is, my mail call tool haul from George at Uwannawatch. Thanks again, George. Spectacular items. Not sure what I did to deserve this, but I very much appreciate it. Thank you.